Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, we are going to review the Workday HRM for recruiters. So as you can see right here, it's agile talent acquisition built for change. So as the hiring landscape evolves faster than ever, achieve your hiring goals at a scale with a suite of tools that integrate engagement, recruitment, messaging, and responsible AI. So you can see an image right here at the right side of your screen. Okay, you can also play a demo video that you can see here. So here we have the Workday recruiting details. So as you can see, in order for us to really access this tool is we have to contact the sales first. So manage the full talent acquisition lifecycle. So with recruiting engagement and hardcore AI for recruiting unified with Workday human capital management, we've got you covered every step of the way. So here, it will help you to build diverse teams by expanding candidate pools with equitable AI-driven job recommendations. So here, as you can see, we have the key capabilities at the right side of your screen. So candidate engagement and marketing, seamless recruiter and candidate experience, hiring team collaboration, high volume efficiency, SMS messaging and interview management, reporting, compliance and analytics, and of course the internal mobility. So these are the capabilities of the HR. Okay, so this is the talents management section. And here, align hiring with business needs. So hire together. Let your hiring teams work with the tools they use every day. So hiring managers can exchange interviews, feedbacks via Microsoft Teams and Slack, and easily create acquisitions on mobile. Hire the best at the high volumes as well. So you'd be able to see here an image. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now hire the best at high volume. So build your pipeline with the evergreen requisitions. Surface top candidates to accelerate hiring. And of course, automate workflows, screen candidates all together, and process offers and agreements in bulk. Okay, so boost hiring outcomes as well. So with the hardcore AI for recruiting, teams can slash time to fill while maximizing talent pool utilization. So we have more images right here. Okay, so recruiting hub that takes care of your business. So they brought all the tools recruiters need into one centralized hub. Then they empower them to personalize their workspaces so everyone can work the way they want. So resolve outstanding action items, complete recruiting tasks, accelerate the candidate pipeline, fill position. Okay, so here is the as you can see, boost the quality of your applications. So find and nurture talent using automated campaigns, tailored landing pages, and real-time analytics, and help candidates identify skills they might not even know they have. Here, connect candidates to relevant job opportunities by using AI embedded in Workday to glean skills from candidates, resume the recommended jobs opportunities that match, then make the application process easy. So from the initial search to the moment candidates hit submit, they'll get the same experience on mobile and desktop alike. Okay, so deliver real-time updates and job alerts. The candidates can check the status of their applications, get job recommendations, and select interview times. Here, create content that reflects your brand, capture your candidate's attention before their first interview. Workday allows you to create career sites and embed videos on your job posts to show why your organization is a great place to work. Okay, so next, we have the capabilities for the AI for recruiting. So here we have the details. So yeah, intelligent workflows and smart actions alert empower recruiters and hiring managers to hire faster and smarter. So with a trusted, powerful AI coach, Hard score AI for recruiting elevates decision making and optimize outcomes from day one. Okay, so you can see the key capabilities as well as the right side. So, unlocking iconic outcomes, leveraging responsible AI automation designed for HR and deep integration. Hardscore AI for recruiting provides actionable insights in the flow of work for a seamless focused approach to hiring. Prioritize top talent, so prioritize the most qualified candidates and ensure fair and efficient talent. Practices a true unbiased AI driven candidate grading, and then surpass traditional sourcing, automatically discover high qualified like to apply talent for open rules from your existing talent pools. Okay, and then focus on high value tasks, receive AI driven timely notification that help busy recruiters complete a task quickly, and spotlight moments that matter to maximize business outcomes. To drive inclusive hiring, real time diversity insights are seamlessly integrated into your recruiter's workflow, giving them greater visibility and removing the constraints of retrospective metrics. So empower hiring managers, accelerate the hiring process by meeting hiring managers in the flow of work in Microsoft Teams, and empower them to be better partners and drive better outcomes with intelligent AI coaching. So over 11 years of success and counting. Since we're right here, increase in recruiter capacity within 10 months of launch is 54%, 70%, and then 35% for faster hiring manager reviews. Okay, so let's go back to the capabilities. They also have the AI for talent mobility. Okay, so a better way to grow and develop your people. So keep employees moving forward. See how AI powered career guidance just works. So take a whole new approach to employee growth. Okay, so with over 11 years of experience with AI technology for HR, we support some of the most innovative organizations, and that's one of the strength of this tool. So basically, in Workday Financial Management, while the core focus is on financial operations, it integrates seamlessly with Workday Human Resource Management or the HRM to support recruiters in aligning talent acquisitions with organizational goals and budgeting. So, for recruiters, this integration allows better visibility into workforce planning, headcount forecasting, and compensation budgeting, all crucial for making strategic hiring decisions. Recruiters can collaborate with finance teams to ensure hiring plans match budget constraints and business needs. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.